Hold on, look. You just made them all go away when I'm making a video. That's all fucked up.
Ravenclaw.
Look.
Oh, that one just got stepped on in the face.
Look at that one. He's like so demanding.
Oh. Alright.
Are you that ballsy?
One of y'all that's not gonna fuck me up.
Hold it like up in the air. Like above your head. You moved.
He scared me. Matt, you know what? Fuck you here.
Watch. Just throw it on the table. They'll come for it.
That bird flew.
Hey, you got a fat ass fry.
And he dropped it.
Look, they're all like coming up for their pickings. They're like, yeah, I'm on the table next.
You should lace it with laxatives. Do that at the beach with the seagulls.
Oh, you little crater.
Or they wear out of front.
CJ's throwing fries out the door. That better not be y'all's food and call.
That is.
I'm surprised if McDonald's hasn't came out here and told us to